Good morning. I am Harshit, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, Amazon India chief Manish Tiwari resigns amid rising competition. Google to enable Gemini Assistant on wireless earbuds. Dell cuts more jobs as it prepares for the world of AI. Nvidia's ethical concern over AI model training. YouTube is experimenting with picture-in-picture ads for live streaming. Apple iOS 18, iPadOS 18 developer beta 5 released with refinements and bug fixes. Vivo V40 series launched today in India with Zeiss optics and more. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you who is the owner of Canva, and the answer is Melanie Perkins. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: who is the real founder of LinkedIn? Think you know the answer? We want to hear from you. Leave your guess in the comments below this video. We will reveal the correct answer in tomorrow's news bulletin. So stay tuned to see if you got it right. Good luck, tech enthusiasts, and don't forget to comment with your answer. Manish Tiwari, the head of Amazon's India operations, has announced his resignation to pursue opportunities outside the company. Tiwari took over as Amazon India's country manager in late 2020, navigating the firm through a challenging and competitive landscape. Amazon confirmed Tiwari's resignation but did not immediately name a successor, leaving a leadership gap in one of its most crucial international markets. Amazon has been shifting its focus towards its cloud business, Amazon Web Services in India, a market with immense growth potential. In recent months, Amazon has scaled back on several other ventures in India, including shutting down its food delivery service, reflecting a strategic pivot away from consumer services in favor of more profitable sectors. Despite these shifts, Amazon reaffirmed its commitment to the Indian market, highlighting continued optimism about future growth opportunities. Google could bring its AI-powered Gemini assistant to wireless earbuds. Gemini was launched on smartphones in February with a dedicated app. IT Voice spotted Gemini on earbuds branding in the latest version of the Google app. The app's code mentions Gemini in earbuds. Users can talk to Gemini on earbuds. Gemini could answer questions verbally when asked via earbuds. Gemini for earbuds might be officially announced along with Pixel Buds Pro 2 at the Made by Google event on 13th August. Google is testing many voices for Gemini. A new female voice has been spotted for Gemini on Android, with the male voice still in use for iOS and web clients. Dell Technologies, a prominent US-based tech company, has announced another substantial round of job cuts. This move is part of the company's strategic shift towards enhancing its artificial intelligence AI products and services, highlighting the increasing significance of AI in the technology sector. While Dell has not publicly disclosed the exact number of layoffs, several online sources suggest the figure could be in the thousands. According to a layoff tracking website, approximately 12,500 employees are expected to be affected by this decision. The layoffs will primarily impact Dell's sales and marketing teams. This focus indicates a strategic realignment of the company's resources towards AI initiatives. NVIDIA is developing its own large language model LLM called Cosmos. NVIDIA is competing with Meta, Google, and OpenAI in the AI model arena. NVIDIA has been reported to collect data from Netflix and YouTube to train its AI model. The data collection raises ethical concern about using content from these platforms without permission. NVIDIA employees allegedly used special YouTube video downloader tools to access full-length content. The company utilized virtual machines to download large amount of content for training. NVIDIA aims to use high-quality content for genuine data, particularly for 3D content and gaming. YouTube is testing picture-in-picture mid-roll ads for live streams. The format aims to allow creators to run ads without disrupting the live stream. In September 2023, YouTube tested mid-roll ad with a countdown timer and delay option. The feature helped prevent ads from appearing at inconvenient memories. Automated live mid-roll ads have led to over 20% increase in in-stream ad revenue per hour. The new ad format is less disruptive, offering a better fit for live stream. Picture-in-picture ad reduce concern about ad interruptions. The format offers more engagement opportunities without causing annoyance. Next, we have Apple is expected to release the stable version of iOS 18 and iPad OS 18 to the public around September. Apple has released the fifth developer beta of iOS 18 and iPad OS 18. This beta focuses on further refinements and bug fixes. Registered developers can access the beta via the software updates section in the settings app. Developer need to enable the iOS 18, iPadOS 18 developer beta setting. An Apple ID associated with a developer account is required for download and installation. The iOS 18 and iPadOS 18 beta track is now separate from the iOS 18.1 and iPadOS 18.1 beta track. The one betas focus on adding support for Apple Intelligence, a suite of AI features. At last, the launch event will be live streamed across Vivo's social media channel at 12 p.m. IST. Vivo is launching its latest V series smartphones, Vivo V40 and Vivo V40 Pro. Vivo continues its focus on delivering a flagship level camera experience in the mid-range segment. Zeiss lenses are introduced to the standard V40 model for the first time. Display 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 1260 x 2800 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, RAM 8GB storage, 256GB non-expandable, rear cameras dual 50 megapixel camera, wide angle and ultra wide, both with 4K video recording, front camera 50 megapixel with 4K video recording, battery 5500 mAh with 80 watt fast charging, software Android 14 with FunTouch OS, design sleek and modern with an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, available in stellar silver and nebula purple. This is Harshit signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for all your tech updates.